Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Robinhood account. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old and have a valid social security number. Also, a legal U.S. residential address is necessary. Gathering this information beforehand will make the application process much smoother and quicker for you. Next, let's walk through the application. Begin by downloading the Robinhood app from your App Store or heading to their website. You'll then be prompted to enter your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure all information is accurate. Finally, link your bank account. This is crucial for funding your new investment account securely. After submitting your application, Robinhood will verify your identity. This typically involves uploading a clear photo of a government-issued ID, like a driver's license, and sometimes a selfie for facial recognition. The good news is there's no minimum deposit required to open a Robinhood account. Once verified, you can fund your account with any amount you choose to start investing. With your account open and funded, you're ready to explore the world of investing. Robinhood offers a variety of investment options, from stocks to ETFs. Take advantage of their educational resources to learn more about different strategies and market trends. Remember, investing involves risk, so it's wise to start small and grow your knowledge. And for more great insights, be sure to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.